Cute, trendy, and super easy to style. This two-ponytail braids hairstyle is perfect for a sporty, playful, and stylish look, ideal for school, college, gym, or casual outings. This braided ponytail style keeps your hair neat while adding a fashionable twist. Classic, chic, and always in trend. The ponytail hairstyle is perfect for every occasion. Whether it's a casual day, office look, or party vibe, this easy ponytail keeps your hair neat and adds instant elegance to your style. Add a touch of elegance and freshness to your look with this flower ponytail hairstyle. Perfect for weddings, parties, festive functions, and special occasions. This floral ponytail gives a soft, romantic, and graceful vibe. Easy to style and absolutely stunning. Style your hair in seconds with this adorable mini claw clip look. Perfect for quick everyday styling. This hairstyle is easy, lightweight, and super trendy. Add a touch of cuteness and elegance to your casual or party look with